Micron Workholding have just had delivered about 2 minutes ago a Vulcan 610L machine from the Engineering Technology Group. And John, I bet you're really excited it's been delivered today.
Yes, we are, yes.
Yeah, and so what was the reason why Matt purchased this machine from yourselves?
I think when I first spoke to Matt, one of the big criteria was he was looking for a small footprint machine. And when he came to Wellesbourne to have a look at the machine, this suited the bill.
So during the buying process, how did you demonstrate the machine's capabilities to Matt?
Yeah, when he came along to Wellesbourne to have a look at the machine, we actually, one of our apps engineers put a really big block of material on where we were actually cutting around the outside of the part, and it was doing a really deep pocket into the part, and Matt was really impressed, as I was, with the cutting capability of the machine. The surface finish was really good, and that really impressed him. So I think that's what led to the purchase of the machine, really.
And it was the table size that really worked wonders for him, because it was how compact the machine is.
Yeah.
But the internals really kind of ticked all of his boxes, didn't they?
Yeah, this machine's got an x-axis of 610 mil, but the table is 650. So, it suited what he wanted to do on the machine.
So I guess if he did go to a larger table, it would mean a larger machine, which
yeah, it
wouldn't
would.
work.
I mean, we do a bigger machine than this, an 850, and we do a 1,000 machine, but yeah, they're a lot bigger than this machine.
And I guess it's like a workhorse for him, because it's an entry-level machine, but he has had some extras on there as well, hasn't he?
Yeah, the spec of the machine, the standard machine, is really a really good spec. It's got 10K spindle, obviously, 20 bar through spindle coolant, side-on tool chains, 24 tools, and swarf management on it. So, for the money that it is, it's a fantastic little machine.
And it's a Taiwanese machine as well, well made, known for being well-made machines.
Yeah, we when we first saw the machine, we were really pleased, all the sales guys, with the quality of the machine build. It was really good, and obviously for sort of circa 50,000, it's a fantastic buy in my opinion.
And the control panel, I know there was discussions with this.
Yeah, originally when Matt spoke to me, he wanted FANUC. But when he came along, we obviously only had the Siemens machine in stock, and when our apps guy gave their works director a demo on the control with the Siemens new touchscreen, he really liked it, so he decided to go for the Siemens control.
Brilliant. And the swarf conveyor, there was a discussion here too.
Yeah. The swarf, as you can see, it's quite a tight fit in here, and we were looking at other ways rather than not having the swarf conveyor. But in the end, we've managed to fit it into the area that he's got here. So he was really pleased with that.
Long may it continue, and I really do hope it's going to be a fantastic machine for Matt and his team.
Yeah.
And I know he uses a lot of Engineering Technology Group machines within his machine shop. Why is that?
I think, Matt's, he came to us first. As you can see, we've got the Bridgeport here. He's got a Nakamura, but I think it really was the backup and support that we could offer, especially on the applications. We've also got the right machine for the job. I think a load of those things were what made Matt, I think, consider us. And I think the big thing was the actual space he's got here as well. That this fits exactly into the space that he's got. So
Perfect.
I think that was a big thing as well.
Fantastic. Exciting times ahead for Micron Workholding.